Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're a fan of unique and stylish hotels, today's review is one you don't want to miss. We're talking about the Public Hotel in New York. Let's dive right in. Okay, first thing I noticed, the public spaces here are insanely stylish and modern. What really surprised us was just how many people were working here. I guess it's no surprise because the Public Hotel is designed to be a social hub where you can hang out, work, or meet new people. There's tons of comfortable seating and easy access to power outlets. You'll find people here working on their laptops, grabbing a coffee, or just vibing with friends. It's a total work meets play atmosphere, and I really loved how it felt like you could actually get things done, but also relax and enjoy the vibes. Now, let's talk about the room. We stayed in a queen great view room, and while the view was good, I'll be honest, I had some big expectations, so let's just say it didn't fully blow me away. That being said, the design, it's gorgeous. The minimalistic style with all the wood accents was super calming, and honestly, I loved how it felt modern yet warm. I had heard New York hotel rooms can be small, but this one was actually a really good size by our standards. There was plenty of space for everything. A table and a sofa to relax on when you don't want to be in the bed. And the bed itself was cozy and spacious. Honestly, it felt like a great balance of comfort and functionality. We made our way up to the rooftop bar, and even though the weather was absolutely terrible, I could tell the views would be incredible on a better day. I can totally imagine it being a stunning spot for a sunset cocktails when the weather is on your side. As for the location, Bowery is a great neighborhood to stay in. You're just steps away from SoHo, Chinatown, and all these cool spots. It's got a mix of trendy and historic, and it's the perfect base to explore the city. So, final thoughts on the Public Hotel. Honestly, it's a really solid option if you're looking for a modern, stylish hotel with a great location and a vibrant social atmosphere. The public spaces are perfect for working or hanging out, and even though we didn't get to check out everything, I can see why it's become such a popular spot in New York. If you guys have stayed here or have any questions about the hotel, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest hotel reviews and travel content. Until next time, happy travels!